Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are committed to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how large organizations store enormous amounts of data, process complex applications, and deliver digital services to millions of people every day? The answer lies in data centers. A data center is a specialized facility that houses powerful servers, storage systems, networking equipment, and other technology infrastructure used to process, store, and distribute digital information. It is the backbone of the modern internet and the foundation of countless online services. Every time you send an email, stream a movie, make an online payment, save files to the cloud, or use social media, your information is processed and stored in a data center. Without data centers, the digital services we rely on every day would not exist. One of the biggest benefits of data centers is reliability. They are designed with backup power systems, redundant internet connections, advanced cooling systems, and disaster recovery solutions to ensure that critical services remain available around the clock. Another important benefit is security. Modern data centers use physical security, surveillance systems, biometric access controls, firewalls, encryption, and continuous monitoring to protect valuable information from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Data centers also improve performance. By using powerful computing resources and high-speed networking equipment, they enable businesses to deliver fast, reliable, and scalable digital services to customers worldwide. Another major advantage is business continuity. Organizations depend on data centers to protect their applications and data, ensuring that operations can continue even during hardware failures or unexpected disasters. Today, data centers support banks, hospitals, schools, governments, telecommunications providers, cloud computing platforms, artificial intelligence, e-commerce websites, streaming services, and virtually every modern digital business. Because the demand for digital services continues to grow, professionals with data center skills are becoming increasingly valuable. Careers such as data center technician, systems administrator, network engineer, cloud engineer, infrastructure engineer, and cybersecurity specialist all depend on an understanding of data center operations. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical training that introduces learners to data center technologies, server management, networking, virtualization, cloud infrastructure, storage systems, and security best practices. Our hands-on approach prepares you with the practical skills employers need in today's technology industry. Our mission is not only to teach technology, but to help you become self-reliant. The practical skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies can help you secure rewarding employment, work remotely for global organizations, provide IT infrastructure services, become an independent technology consultant, or establish your own technology company. These employable and entrepreneurial skills can create multiple streams of income and help you achieve long-term financial independence. The digital economy depends on reliable technology infrastructure, and data centers are at the heart of that infrastructure. By learning these valuable skills today, you're preparing yourself for a future filled with opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful future in technology. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit FRELOTEX.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, at FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach technology. We empower people with practical skills that build careers, create businesses, generate sustainable income, and transform lives.